Your Hyundai Tucson key fob from 2014 to 2019 uses a CR2032 battery. When the remote stops working or has decreased range, battery replacement is usually the fix. Get a new CR2032 battery and a plastic pry tool or small flathead screwdriver. The key fob is a two-piece plastic design. Insert the pry tool into the seam and gently pry open. If tough, apply heat like warm water soak or silicone lubricant to the seam. Remove old battery, note polarity. Install new CR2032 with positive side up. Snap case back together and test the buttons. If the key fob case is hard to open, avoid excessive force which can crack the plastic. Use gentle prying with a plastic tool like a guitar pick. You can apply gentle heat by soaking in warm water or use silicone lubricant along the seam to loosen it. If the remote still doesn't work after replacing the battery, check for corrosion on the battery contacts inside the fob. Use isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab to clean them thoroughly. Some fobs have a reset button. Try pressing and holding both the lock and unlock buttons simultaneously for 5 to 10 seconds to reset the electronics. If problems persist, especially in humid climates, consider sealing the fob with silicone to prevent moisture ingress, which can lead to corrosion. As a last resort, explore Hyundai's BlueLink app for phone-based remote functions as an alternative to physical fob repair if compatible with your model year. Otherwise, consult a professional for repair.